Hello my dear friends, in my previous video I told you I will show you some small circuit for science experiment for science fair. So in this video I will show you how to make flame sensor by use of thermistor. So first we understand how thermistors work. For example, we take 10 kilo ohm thermistor. When we increase its temperature then its resistance will decrease. Let's try it. You can see in multimeter. When I increase temperature of thermistor, then resistance is decreased. When temperature is decreased, then resistance is increased. Now, use of this principle, we make one current divider rule and implement it with transistor as a switch. So, this is circuit diagram. You can take screenshot or you can download it from description box. If you want to make any kind of other electric and electronics project, then you can comment below. I will make it. Let's check output of this circuit. Is it work or not? Let's check it.